Tinker Bell was busy with her inventions in Pixie Hollow when butterfly fairy Lilia rushed in, her wings fluttering with excitement. Tink, a rare flower, has bloomed in the forest. They call it the Glimmer Blossom. Legend says it can enhance a fairy's powers. Tinker Bell's curiosity sparked. Then why hasn't anyone picked it? Lilia's smile faded. Because it grows in the Forgotten Valley. No one who went there ever returned. That only made Tinker Bell more determined. She gathered her friends Silvermist, Rosetta, and Vidia, and they set off on their adventure. As they ventured into the forest, the air was calm, and tiny glow bugs lit their way. But soon, a thick mist surrounded them. "This fog is too dense. We're lost," Vidia grumbled. Tinker Bell thought for a moment and tossed her glowing pebbles into the air. As they sparkled, a hidden path through the mist appeared. "Follow the light. It will guide us," she said confidently. After walking for a while, they reached a hidden valley. In the center stood the Glimmer Blossom, its golden petals shimmering with a soft glow. But as they approached, a massive stone gate appeared before them. Mysterious words were carved into it: "Show true friendship, and the way shall open." The fairies exchanged puzzled looks. "How do we prove our friendship?" Rosetta wondered. Tinker Bell took Silvermist's hand. Silvermist reached for Rosetta, and soon all the fairies were holding hands in a circle. As they did, the stone gate trembled and slowly opened. Carefully, they picked the Glimmer Blossom, and a warm, magical glow surrounded them. Their abilities instantly strengthened. Tinker Bell could create even more brilliant inventions. Vidia could fly faster than ever, and Silvermist could shape water with ease. They returned to Pixie Hollow, their hearts filled with joy. "True strength comes from friendship and unity," Tinker Bell said with a smile. From that day on, the legend of the Glimmer Blossom was told as a reminder of the magic of friendship. The end.